name is Brian Nosek. I'm Executive Director of the Center for Open Science. The Center is a nonprofit culture change organization with a mission to increase openness, integrity, and reproducibility of research. I was 17 when the wall fell down, and in high school preparing for a career in computer engineering. We are trying to break the wall between scientific values and scientific practices. The way we idealize science is that it's transparent, that it's rigorous, that it's reproducible. We recognize that there's lots of false starts in science, things that don't quite work out, and other paths that become productive and transform reality, transform our understanding of reality. But scientists aren't rewarded just for doing rigorous, credible research. Scientists are rewarded in the system for producing exciting findings, novel findings, and even ignoring findings that are inconvenient or don't quite fit the hypotheses that they have. We are trying to realign the values that scientists have for rigor, openness, and reproducibility with how they are rewarded in the system of science. And to do that, we work with researchers themselves, providing them tools, infrastructure to make it easy and possible for them to be more open and rigorous with their research. We work with communities to change the norms so that researchers know how to do more open, transparent practices and see that others in their community are adopting those practices. And we work with stakeholders like funders and institutions, societies, to change the incentives and the policies supporting researchers. So it's not just that they're pursuing transparency and openness because they think it's a good thing to do, which they do think that, but also because they're actually rewarded for doing that in advancing their career. And the real benefit for society is that by promoting rigor and transparency, we will get to more credible findings, more credible knowledge and solution and treatments faster. Culture change is underway in science. The stakeholders and researchers recognize the challenges of the reward system and are taking incremental steps to make those changes. But there's a lot of change that still needs to be done. I am very optimistic that that change will continue because there is consensus about the values, and the only open questions are how do we get the system to change so that we can embody them in daily practice.